close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
Alright everybody, so that should be it for now. As for the turn server, I will be learning about it tomorrow. Even right now theory is going on. I have written the code. It's not like I haven't written the code. Even I'm using the stun servers over here though. So what exactly happens that when this connection gets ready, ultimately whenever I'm making this peer connection over here, so a request goes to the stun server and the stun server returns the public address. So ultimately you have your private address and you have your private port number, and when you send a request to the stun server, so stun server will only send you the public address and the public port number. That is it. These are the two things gonna be handled by stun server, and then you will be getting them in the response, like in the ICE candidates you will be getting them. So as soon as it got created, the request will be sent and you will be getting the things and all. And whenever this ICE candidate event gets triggered, and when it gets triggered, it only gets triggered when we there is something changed in the peer connection, or like here we are adding tracks and all. So whenever there is something that has changed, so at that time this particular ultimately what is that thing called, this handle negotiation needed event will be triggered. And when this thing gets triggered, so this particular function will run, and when this function is running, so ultimately we are creating an offer and we are just simply setting it to the local description. Once we have done this, as soon as we are setting it to the local description, this particular ICE candidate event will be triggered, and we will be just we are just simply logging the values over here. So it's just as simple as that. While initiating the PC object over here, instance over here, we are actually configuring it, and while configuring it, we are giving it the URLs of the Eastern server, and it will be just simply getting the response from the Eastern server and all, and the request will be sent there automatically and all. So this is how things actually go on. Never realized that these things could be in the WebSocket. I literally took it lightly. It's gonna take time. It's actually gonna take time, and I need to be clear exactly what happens, how the request is sent, how mainly when you work with WebSocket. So at that time you play with port numbers, you play with the IP addresses, private IP addresses, public IP addresses, NAT, router, because ultimately you are trying to connect with another person. So we'll have to configure everything, though there are like ICE agents are there, but ultimately you will have to learn, you will have to configure, and even if there are ICE agents, you will have to give them the right IP address and all. So yeah, this is how it actually happens. I'm gonna be catching up tomorrow. Right now I'm gonna be just taking a break for around 15 minutes or something. I'm just gonna have some food and all. After that I'll be back and I will continue with what I'm done with learning this at least for today. But the thing is that it is amazing too, but don't wanna learn a lot just in a single day. 2 to 3 hours are enough, not more than that. Let's click on this code explanation. I hope read mode will not open. Don't know why, but this eraser is getting opened on read mode nowadays automatically. That is something that I don't want, and I hope that will not happen. Alrighty, here we are. Okay. Alrighty, right now it hasn't like open in that mode, but okay. If I just simply just a sec. Alrighty, so if I just simply talk about this particular thing, so what all I have to cover over here, this particular section I was simply going through, and I've learned about WebRTC, I've learned about passport. I had an error over there, so I have to fix the error as well. And have I worked with passport? WebRTC is done. Passport, yeah, I was working with this yesterday. Yeah, that's right, I've already worked with this. So let's go with this one. Ultimately I will be working on with BetaAuth right now. I will be just even in BetaAuth, what was the issue that I had? In BetaAuth I was facing an issue, and that was related to configuration. I had fixed that, and now I have to just simply go on. So if I just simply talk about BetaAuth project that I was working on, so this is the one, and there were two things. One of them was made by me, and one of them was made by the teacher himself. Okay, and come on, As for this one, it is made by me, and another one was made by teacher, so forget about that. Let's change the name, better auth by me. Let's give it this name. Let's open it, code, and let's even know more about this. Closing this will be a better option. Alrighty, so how many things were remaining? I'll have to even check this thing out. It's been a day, 2 days having worked on this particular thing. For that simple thing, I have to go through my page.css. I hope I have comments somewhere or the other, but even finding that comment is gonna be hard. So in that case, what was the issue I was facing the last time? There was something missing last time. If I go to my lib right now, and inside this auth.ts, I had this sciencing. Okay, fine. Additional role provider, database, delete user. Okay, I had to work on this particular functionality. Even this got done if I'm not wrong. So I had to just simply delete the user, and I just simply enabled that option and delete send a delete verification. This is the kind of function I created for sending the email to the user once the account is actually deleted. And once the user's account is deleted, that's it. I don't really need to worry about anything. Just the user needed to get an email. That is it. Apart from this particular thing, there is something called when email verification happens. At that time, I'm sending the email verification while signing up, while signing in. But this will only work like when I'm actually making a required verification over here. So what I mean, just a required email verification. If this is true, then only the email will be sent. While it simply means, okay, let's go through it. It simply sends the email when signing up. What the hell? Required email verification. It simply sends the email when signing in. Sorry, that was my bad. So auto sign in, disable sign in. Just a second. Auto sign in false. Disable sign in, because if it's true, you will be signed in after sign up, because you are sending a verification email to the users. That will trigger auto sign in unless you make it false. Yeah, that's right. So ultimately, while signing up, I'm sending the email, like a verification email, to the user. If I make it true, it will the user is actually gonna be signed in automatically, and that simply means the email will not be sent. So that is why we need to do this. Apart from this particular thing, require email verification. This simply sends the email when signing up. I'll have to make it signing in, because it will only be required when signing in. Email should be verified when signing in. As simple as that. And I can say it doesn't work alone. Require email verification needs to be true. It's like this. Send auto sign, that is okay, but the email will only be sent when you are actually kind of what is that thing called? It is actually true. Otherwise, the email will not be sent, even if that is true. Alrighty. Apart from this particular thing, sign in after verification, that's fine. Email providers, social providers, I have to work with them. And there are some other things as well. So let's do one thing. Let's not do one thing. I'm just gonna be taking a break. After that, I'll be back and I'll continue from here on. As for the project, npm run dev. Not even this, because when it comes to the environment variable, so I must be using this particular local database, docker ps a docker start, and I will be starting postgres db. Everything is already mounted, so I don't need to worry about this. Like volume is already mounted, and I'm starting the previous one only. And docker, forget about docker, npm run dev should be just simply running it. Got that? If I just simply have a look at this, let's make it like this, and this is how it's gonna be simply going on. As for this, I can just simply sign in, and I can sign in with any email. If I hope the email is logged in right now, password @ 1234 remember me, sign in. Oh, amazing, thank you. What is wrong with this? Okay, let's do one thing. I'm gonna be signing up first of all. I hope the user does not exist. If it does, then that's gonna be crazy. PASSWORD @hashtag1234 PASSWORD @hashtag1234. Create the account. The account got created. Right now I can just simply sign in, and by the way, email must have been sent to that particular email, so I can even check that. While signing up it works, email will be sent. While signing in it will not be sent if I don't make it required. It's as simple as that. So this is the verification email that I have got. That's fine, I've got that. Apart from this particular thing, come on, I should be just signing in right now. So using the same email I will sign in. PASSWORD @hashtag1234. Let's click on remember me. Let's click on login. I'm gonna be logged in, that is for sure. And it's just simply logging in. Okay, fine, I'm here, and the email must not have been sent this time, and that's right. Now I can click on this specifically, and I can click on send a verification email. Right now the email will be sent. Let's even check this thing out. Okay, I got the email right here. I can click on this particular email, and I can just actually, email has been verified. I can go to dashboard, and right now I will not be getting this. Even I'm getting the right information over here. The problem was, I remember the problem. The problem was that I was actually in the nav bar, I was checking whether the user is authorized or not, and if the user wasn't authorized, at that time I was rendering the authorized page, and that page was being rendered here in the nav bar section, and because of that thing I was facing the error. And then I just stopped that. I returned a null from there, and that's it. Then the problem actually got solved, and the main problem was there. Like when you are actually checking authorization for the nav bar, at that time you have to just return null, or you can just, what am I returning from there? Let's even check this thing out. So whenever I'm checking it in the nav bar, and what is the region? The region is simple. Let's first of all go through that. So main, I have my nav bar, and first of all display logged in user, I will have to just work on this. I have user drop down here, and inside this I'm just simply checking the user, whether the user exists or not, and if user does not exist, I'm just simply returning from here. What was I doing? I was kind of mentioning, I was rendering the unauthorized page over here, and because that page was being rendered over here, so this nav bar, as far as this one is concerned, so why was I even facing that issue? First of all, yeah, that is right, return will help, that is fine, but if I actually make it unauthorized right now, again if I do the same thing just like this, I will be facing the same issue. Reload the page, I am here. Now I will have to click on this, and then I'm redirected here. So ultimately, as soon as I reload the page, I get it here because of that. And why does this happen? There could be possibility that in the nav bar section the user is not present, at least initially. So at that time I have to just simply return, and mainly I have to even render anything. So I have to just simply return let me take the help of AI over here to just simply understand it better, because I'm not getting the exact point. Okay, I'm doing it, it is working, but I'm not getting the reason behind that. If I'm not understanding it, so what is the use of even doing it? So why is that? So if I use unauthorized, I just simply get the unauthorized page, and when I click on sign in, I see my dashboard. Let's come here and reload the page. I'm redirected to verify email. Just a sec. I am redirected to verify email, and when I click on this sign in, I'm redirected to the dashboard. So whenever I reload the page, I'm redirected to this. Sign in, reload the page over here. So even if I want to go to the dashboard page, I am being shown this. So kind of there is the dashboard page, but this particular thing is being shown. Let's simply run it. Just try to see what the ChatGPT returns. Short answer: unauthorized does not log you out. It just throws a next navigation error that shows for one UI your session is still valid. So when you click sign in, you have redirects you. Okay, what happens? You wrote this, but on the client your session is running on the client. So flow is a component that renders use session request. The session info is still valid on server. User is still null for moment. Unauthorized is triggered misguess and navigates for the one custom page. No session cleared. You click sign in. Auth provider checks why it feels wrong, because unauthorized is meant for server components, server actions, not client side checks. In a client component, the session goes from undefined loading. During loading is a false. Unauthorized the triggers rule 201. Correct path: show nothing until session loads. Instead of unauthorized, show nothing until the session loads. Not loading, return this. To prevent the flash, route to the session, replace signing and return none. Move the auth checks to the server. Dashboard page, session, dashboard. Because unauthorized only sends you an error UI and does not destroy your session. Author client use session still finds a valid session to paste. Sign in just rejects auth seeds. I'm not getting one thing. When I use the same thing on the nav bar, I'm getting unauthorized. Still when the user exists. And if I use the same thing on any page, at that time I don't get what is the flow. So what happens that in here inside main I have my nav bar. Before that I have this snap bar and children. And when it comes to this nav bar, it does run first, and after that verify email. I have my dashboard page.tsx. Inside my dashboard I am doing the same thing. Inside my nav bar I am doing the same thing. Inside my nav bar that is wrong. Inside my dashboard that is right. Why? First of all, I don't really have energy to just dig deeper into it. I'm gonna be coming back just after 10 minutes and then I'll continue from here on. And till then, let's have a break for a while. Okay, take care, and I'm gonna be catching up soon.